quick unboxing. This is the Umarex Zelos, aka Snow Peak M60. Just arrived in the mail. Got the 25 caliber, 900 FPS with lead pellets, up to 20 consistent shots off the regulator. Got 18 shot magazines, two 18 shots, 45.5 FPE, and the threaded barrel, 1/2 inch by 20. Already got a moderator for it too. Let's open her up and see how she looks. And here's the moment we've been all waiting for. Nice foam-filled box. And there she is. Got the owner's manual. The tag. And we've got magazine. Max fill 3625, 3625 psi. Adjustable hammer spring, adjustable rag. I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, I bought this with my own money. This isn't a sponsored video. It feels like it's really good quality. This, for $600, I don't think you can buy anything that comes close to this as far as, dollar for dollar, the feel, the quality of it. I've already shot one before, and the accuracy is phenomenal. It's, for the price, you got to factor in the money. I mean, this thing shoots as good as, air rifles that are double, triple the price. So for $600, I actually got it with 10% off, so it was $550. I mean, you just can't beat it. I'm gonna have I'm gonna do either 400 or 500 cc carbon fiber bottle. So I'll shorten it up a little bit, around here. So I'm gonna also use the new compressor I got, the 2 auto, and see how long it takes to fill up to about 3,500 psi on the tube. So first impressions, awesome. Great quality, great feel, touch. Really nice unit. Impressed with the quality. Magazines. Also bought 2 extras too when I ordered it. That way I had some backups. And so this is going to be my setup right now, guys. I got the Donnie FL, the Tatsu on there for the moderator. I'm going to be running the UTG SWAT, or AccuShot SWAT. It's the 4x16 scope. One of the best scopes you can get for under $200. I think this was around $180. I also picked up 2 extra mags. So I got plenty of those in case you get a dud or one with a bad spring or something. But from everything I know, these are pretty good quality. So 18 rounds, that's a good amount. Once they get the bottle, you should be able to shoot, I think, off of 500. I think you should be able to run about 4 or 5 mags off a 500 cc bottle. And that is the setup. Got the Donnie FL, UTG scope, and I will be getting a UTG bipod for it as well, and probably do a little testing with it tomorrow. So just a quick unboxing. I'm going to test out the 2 auto and see how long it takes to fill up from empty to max on this tube. But stay tuned for some more videos on the Avenger and the Zelos here. I'll be probably making a good 5-10 videos off these. Take care.